In this video, we explain how to add treasury and bank accounts to your account on the system. First, go to the App Management page from the Settings menu. In the Accounting Management section, make sure to enable the Finance, the Chart of Accounts, and the Journal Accounting, then click Save. Then, from the Finance menu, go to the Treasuries and Bank Accounts page. To add a treasury, click on Add Treasury. Enter the treasury name and select the status as Active. You can disable it later if needed by selecting Inactive. Enter a description for the treasury. Set options for setting deposit and withdrawal permissions. Everyone grants access to all users. Specific staff allows selection of an individual staff. Roles assigns permissions to one or more specific job roles. Branches grants access to one or more specific branches. After you finish, click on Save from the Treasury page. You can modify the treasury settings, such as temporarily disabling it or performing transfers to or from the treasury. You can also set the treasury as the main treasury or delete it, but it should not be linked to any transactions within the system. This page displays treasury details, including the name, available balance, and treasury status. Below, you will find the accounts with deposit and withdrawal permissions, and here there is a list of all system transactions, such as expenses. And, from this tab, the transfers made to or from the treasury. The activity log displays the actions performed on the treasury. Here, you can clearly see the available balance in the treasury. You can easily switch between the treasuries and bank accounts added to your account by clicking on the navigation arrows at the top of the page, as shown. To access the treasury account within the chart of accounts, click on the account number here. Alternatively, you can click on the treasury name in the account tree or enter the treasury name in the search box. As we can see in the chart of account, the treasury account has been listed under Assets, Current Assets, Treasury, Treasury 1. The treasury transactions will be displayed here. You can view treasury-related reports by clicking on the reports icon at the top of the page. Returning to the Treasuries and Bank Accounts page, I will create a bank account by clicking on Add Bank Account, then entering the bank name. Choose the bank name from the drop-down list, the bank account number, the currency type. When adding a bank account, you can select a different currency from the primary currency set when creating the account. However, this option is not available for treasuries, as the currency used in treasuries is the primary account currency. Select the status as Active. You can disable it later if needed by choosing Inactive. Enter the bank description, then set the deposit and withdrawal permissions as needed. Once done, click Save. From the bank account page, you can also perform several actions, such as deactivate the account, transferring amount to or from the bank account, marking the bank account as the primary account. Additionally, the Import Bank Statement option allows you to import transactions made using the bank account from an Excel file to create incomes and expenses that match the imported transactions or reconcile them with existing transactions in the system. To delete a bank account, it must not be linked to any transactions created in the system. To access the bank's ledger account within the chart of accounts, click on the account number. As we can see in the account tree, the bank account has been listed under Assets, Current Assets, Bank, Bank Name. The bank account transactions will be displayed here. Additionally, when adding a treasury, it will be placed in the Treasury folder, and when adding a bank, it will be placed in the Bank folder. The Treasuries and Bank Accounts page displays all the treasuries and bank accounts that have been added. You can search for a specific bank or treasury using the search options here. If you have added many treasuries and bank accounts, use the navigation arrows at the top of the page to switch between pages. To choose a different sorting method for displaying the added treasuries and bank accounts, click on Sort. By clicking on the three-dot menu, you can view the bank account, edit it, deactivate it, set it as the primary account, delete the account I previously created this treasury and used it in some transactions. When reviewing system transactions within the Treasury page, I can view the transaction details by clicking on the three-dot menu, then selecting View or Edit. All transfers made to or from the Treasury will be displayed here. To make a transfer to or from the Treasury, click on Transfer. I will transfer $1,000 from the current Treasury to the bank account I recently added. The system will display the available balance before and after the transfer in both the Treasury and the bank account. Specify the transfer date and time in the Date field. In the Attachments section, you can add an image of the transfer document, for example, and include any additional details in the Notes field. Then click Transfer at the bottom of the page. This successfully transfers the balance from the current Treasury to the bank account. You can also edit or delete the transfer transaction by clicking on the three-dot menu.